Loading, deeply loading you. Hello, hi everyone, wala lang. FB10 ba? Kung oo, edi sorry. Hi everyone, happy, ano ba today? Thursday? Happy Thursday. Pagod. Girl, kakagising ko lang halos. Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko from the shoot yesterday. Request, I'm not... Hoy, Jace! Jace, bago ka mag-request, kailan na ako babalik ng Cebu? Girl, dadaling ko yung I'm not that girl sa Cebu. Sorry. Hello, hi everyone. Como estas? Como estas? Anong mga ulam nyo for lunch? Di pa ako makain. Di ko pa alam kung gusto ko kumain. Parang I wanna be skinny. Huy, chill. Punta ka, MOA. Taga Marikina ako. Ang layo talaga na MOA. Ay, diba? Jace, Cebu na ulit. Dali mo na ako dyan uli. Miss ko na ang Cebu. Come to Brazil. Wow, ang dali. It's so... Kailangan ba ng visa sa Brazil? How's life? Life is good. Nairaos ko yung shoot kahapon. So, actually, medyo stressed out ako sa shoot na yon. Basta there was a lot of, mishap and miscommunication happening pre-production. That got me, anxious and stressed out for the shoot yesterday. But it went really well. Can't wait for you all to see it. But yeah. Coming out in I think, January. So, abangan. For something. Manam. May pag sinabi mo, hi, Riza, gagawa ako na, ayan na naman sila. Riza, hi sa'yo, wag kang gumawa na assignment. O, paano kung ganun? What if ganun? Ay nako, Zaira. Riza pala. Can you please greet my cousin a happy birthday? Happy 18th birthday to your cousin. Nanonood ako ng The Wicked ngayon kapag nag-live. Go panoorin mo yung alaga ko, magaling siya dyan. Di mo ba magda-dragcon ka pa? Wala, I'm not going to DragCon UK unfortunately. Pagod, yes. Girl, as in ang sakit ng likod ko, sakit ng braso ko, ang sakit ng buong pagkatao ko. Punta ka sa Cavite. Ano gagawin ko sa Cavite? Oh my God. Grabe. Song suggest, Wicked soundtrack. Makinig ka ng Wicked soundtrack. FB5, go. Nice na ba? Sorry na, kasi mahina talaga yung signal na wifi dito sa kwarto ko. Ayoko naman lumabas. Natamad pa akong tumayo. Tour mo kami sa room ko. My room is not that big. It's just this. So there, that is my anik-anik shelf. And then over here, ito yung aking bedside table with additional shelves. I put some of the fan art here. Ayan. In-display ko yung some of the fan art that I get there. And then, ayun, that's my IKEA pegboard. Tas cabinet ko na agad. Tas banyo. My room is not that big. It's really just one rectangle. Sabi mo, hindi ako gagawa ng assignments. Riza, tanong ko sa'yo, tamang gawain ba yan? Where you buy yung blue motorcycle jacket mo you're wearing in one of the episodes of Bikini Man? That is... Which one? The one with yung parang lightning bolt sa pocket? That's custom. I had that custom made. That was actually one of my options kasi for my confessional look. Aside from Wicked, what is your favorite musical? I love Wicked, but my all-time favorite musical will still be Legally Blonde. Yes, meron akong purple balut. Bigay sa akin yan ng isang fan kasi nga, parang sabi niya, you may not have won the golden balut, but I would have given you my purple balut. Parang ganun yung letter na nakalagay. Super sweet. Ads kayo kanina sa Spotify. Anong ads? For what? Hindi ko alam yan. Ibig sabihin lang niya, inuuna mo yung kabaklaan kaysa ang pag-aaral mo. Tama ba yun? Hindi. Kasi B ako, gumraduate muna ako